In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join date from 3 columns to 1 column. If you have a spreadsheet where the day, month, and year are each stored in separate columns, Excel makes it very easy to combine them into one proper date. This is especially useful when you want to sort dates correctly, filter by date, or use the information in formulas, charts, or reports. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the 3 columns that contain your date parts. In this example, you have 1 column for the day, 1 for the month, and 1 for the year. Before entering anything, take a moment to identify where you want the final combined date to appear. You'll need to choose an empty cell in the same row as the data you want to combine. Once you've selected that empty cell, type a formula using the date function. The structure is very important here because Excel expects the values in a specific order. Start by typing an equal sign, then the word date, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, click the cell that contains the year, type a comma, click the cell that contains the month, type another comma, and then click the cell that contains the day. Finally, close the parenthesis and press enter. So the formula is built in this order: year, month, then day. Even if your columns appear on the sheet in a different order, the date function still needs those values arranged exactly like that inside the formula. That's what allows Excel to recognize the result as a real date instead of just text. After you press enter, Excel will combine those 3 values into a single date in the cell you selected. If the result looks different from what you expected, that usually just means the cell is using a different date format. The important thing is that the values have been joined into one valid Excel date. And that's it. You've successfully combined a date from 3 separate columns into 1 column using a simple formula. This method is quick, reliable, and much better than typing dates manually, especially when you're working with a large data set. Once you've done it once, you can repeat the same approach anywhere you need to turn separate day, month, and year values into one complete date.